Welcome everyone, Team 7 on another adventure. Coming to you with another Epic Universe update. Moving dirt situation. And of course, due to some, fictitious runaway at Orlando International Airport that now makes the Epic Universe property a no-fly zone. I wonder how that all worked out. I'll show a picture of it right here. Now that's exactly what I see. That's exactly what I'm seeing. You see, there's a east-west, west-east, west. There's a west runway, and I don't know. I've never seen that runway. I mean, as far as I know, all the runways run north and south, and if you look carefully, you don't see any runway there. So I don't know. I don't know how that all works out. And of course, I could apply for permission and see if I could get permission to fly over the area. But if someone went through all the effort of having a fictitious runway to make Epic Universe a no-fly zone, I doubt that they're going to grant the permission. So I might be wrong. There might be a legitimate runway there. I just don't see it. I don't know. I'm not an air traffic controller, so I have no idea. Anyway, what do I know? So, anyway, once again, if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Help the channel grow. The more the channel grows, the more you guys grow. You know what I'm saying? I'm always trying to give back. So, and yeah, it's just the way my brain works. Pay it forward. So yeah. So hit that subscribe button. I hope you enjoy these updates. If you do, just give it a thumbs up and join me. So that was my Epic Universe update. As you can see, construction is still kind of going on, I guess. You still got to get all the ground prep. So, it hasn't stopped completely. Still a little bit going on. Also, too, I bumped into something interesting. I'm here at Fun Spot USA on Grand National Drive, the one in Orlando, not Kissimmee. gonna rain. But anyway, I'm up here where GCI is installing their prototype track on lightning rod. Lightning rod? White lightning. White lightning. Not lightning rod, it's white lightning. I wish it was lightning rod, but it's white lightning. They're installing their experimental track. They announced it last year at IAPA. There's also a few videos up on it, so they're not gonna let RMC take all their thunder. As you can see, I'm not the only vlogger here trying to vlog. If you're a coaster fan, this is very interesting. Did you get it? GCI's new prototype track. This is gonna be awesome. This is gonna be great for GCI. It's gonna be great for Florida. You know the humidity out here. I really can't wait to see what an entire coaster, an entire layout, what this track is going to be like. Because it is steel. It got a wood topper on it, I believe. Like a piece of steel and then wood sandwiched in between it. Pretty cool. You see, got wood side. Is that wood or steel? Oh, it's steel. Looked like the inner track was wood. That's definitely a good looking track. Now they make this right here with the old track. The wood. I really hope that that track is a success. Looks really cool. Looks really cool. But I really do hope that's a success. And I hope you know, it gives GCI the opportunity to build taller, faster roller coasters, ones that don't have, you know, this banked drop. You know, go bigger, taller, faster. Maybe come up with something to compete with El Toro. That would be awesome. I love some friendly competition because ultimately, us the coaster fans, we usually win. We're usually the winners. But that's the new track going up. Don't know when it's gonna open. Everybody looked busy. I was gonna ask somebody, but everybody looked like they were busy. So we'll see. We'll see. When this thing opens, I'm definitely gonna come and check it out, see what it's like. I just wish it was more of it. I wish it was more of it. I wouldn't be mad if the entire coaster had that new metal track or steel tracking. We'll see. Anyway, go check out Midwest Coaster Fans. They're also here recording, so go check them out. Give them a subscribe, especially if you're a coaster fan. You can never be a part of too many coaster communities. That's what I always say. especially if you like debating. If you like debating, Disney and roller coaster fans, those Star Wars too. Star Wars. That's another one. But anyway. Yeah, there's plenty of clubs out there, so especially if you like debating. But anyway, hope you enjoyed it, and until the next adventure, deuces.